Hello everyone, I have entry number 9 and this one's from Nadia, and somehow this one got lost. And it showed up, Nadia, I got it. It's a little damaged, but I did receive it. So we're gonna open it up right now. You don't wanna flip it over because it has your address and you have it all taped up. I don't know where to open it at. Okay, let's see. There, I can get it now. I think. Sorry guys, it's stuck. Okay, let me get it off over here. So I don't want you to see your address. Oh, it's so cute. On your special day, keep it cool. Oh, look at those. Those are so cute. So it says, hi Gigi, hope you like the birthday card I made for you. I hope you have an amazing birthday, your friend Nadia. Don't forget this moment. Oh, that's so sweet of you, honey. Happy birthday, Gigi. May all your dreams and wishes come true. Your friend Nadia. New favorite YouTube, A Day in the World channel. Oh, I have to check that one out. I don't believe I followed that one. Thank you. And thank you for entering, Nadia. And I'm so glad it came. And I love the card. Thank you. Bye.